Hi guys, my name is Darian Wright and I'm going to show you two great styles with the Curly Chic products. Alright, so first you want to start with dampened or washed hair, and I just sectioned mine into a few parts while I was in the shower. So the first section you're going to have, so while I was in the shower, I sectioned my hair from front to back, ear to ear, horizontally. So you're gonna have two big sections of hair, just like this. So with each section, you're gonna apply the leave-in to each section, just kind of work it through your hair. Depending on how thick your hair is, you could use like a dime size, a quarter size. I probably use about 2/4. So as you can see from the front section, I divided that down the middle vertically. So next you want to smooth one of the front sections into a high ponytail using the Light Hold styling gel. You could take about another quarter size. We'll pin these up for now, come back and twist them later. So for the back section of the hair, we want to kind of repeat the first steps that we did for the front section. So we're going to apply our leave-in. It doesn't really matter the part, you can just kind of part with your fingers and go. I find that it's best just to kind of find a natural part too, because then you can blend in the curls a little bit better. And for each section, you're gonna probably use about a dime size of the Curly Cream Vitalizer. And then for each section, we're gonna comb through with our Denman. Start at the ends and work your way up. All right, so once you smooth the cream vitalizer, probably about a dime size of the holding gel. And you can run that over the top and work it all the way down to the ends of your hair. And then from there, we're just gonna do two-strand twists all the way down. I like to apply a little bit more of the holding gel to the ends and twirl it around my finger to seal off the curl. So if it gets a little tangled, just comb it out along the way. All right, so now that we're finished with the back, we're just gonna twist up these front two puffs and then we'll be done. So for the twist in the front, we're just gonna kind of separate it wherever it feels natural. And we're going to repeat the same steps for our twist as we did for the back. Apply the Curl Cream Vitalizer. A little of the holding gel. And twist it all the way down. And don't forget to twirl the end to seal the curl. Alright, and we can smooth the front down a little bit more with some more holding gel. And so I like to tie the front up with a scarf and let it dry overnight. And this just kind of holds the hair down so that it's sleek and shiny in the morning. Alright, so now we just have to let it dry and then we'll untwist it to see our curls. Alright, so now that we're mostly dry, we're gonna undo our twists and style the finished product. I usually just like to start with the back and just work my way forward. And there are different ways you can hold this down. You can either put another ponytail holder on top, or you can just pin it in the shape that you want. So today I'm going to pin it with a bunch of bobby pins. Kind of fluff up the back and separate the curls a little bit more if you want a little more volume. Kind of pull those out a little bit, and you want to kind of blend in those parts in the back. All right, and that's it for the first style. So for this style, we're gonna kind of do like a faux hawk ponytail, and you can go into this style with freshly washed wet hair, damp hair, an old twist out, or wash and go. It's kind of an easy style to do if you kind of don't have any idea. All right, and we'll keep this front section out of the way for now. And we're gonna part the back section horizontally again, going all the way across. This can be a messy part or perfect part, doesn't really matter because we're gonna be pulling it back anyway. And we're gonna take some more of the holding gel and just try to pull that section back into another ponytail. All right, we're gonna pull that second section up into another ponytail. And for this top section, we're gonna separate it again, going horizontally across the head, ear to ear. We'll pin this section here for now. Okay, so now we're gonna fluff up our curls and make them kind of big and make it a big faux hawk look. And we're gonna use the cream firm hold to kind of fluff up our curls and keep them moisturized and also keep that hold. All right, and that's it for style number 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Curly Chic, and y'all have a great day.